Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can install mods in Minecraft 1.21.8. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open a browser and then you need to pick a mod. There is two main websites for that, Modvent and CurseForge. In this case I will use CurseForge, but I'm completely up to you. It's basically similar. Then select Minecraft, browse all, and then select a mod loader. As you can see here, there is 4 of them: NeoForge, Fabric, Forge, and Quilt. Is basically all the mods. To install all the mods is literally the same, but in this case I will show you with Fabric because you need to do extra step with Fabric. Then what you need to do here is to select the mod, then go to Files, and then make sure that all version is correct, and also make sure to download a mod for that particular mod loader. In this case is Fabric, right? So select this, download it. Right, wait for a couple of seconds, save it to your computer. Then what you need to do here is to go to a Fabric MC.net. Press download and then download Fabric for Windows. And then with the Fabric, there is one extra step. You need to download Fabric API, and then drop it to a mod folder. So download the file and save it. And with other mods like Forge, you just need to download a installer here and simply install. You don't need to API. And with the NeoForge as well. NeoForge also, you just need to simply pick installer and do just open up installer here like Fabric one, and then install the latest version here. Make sure Minecraft is completely closed, and also make sure you have Java installed to your computer. If you don't have it, simply you get error here. So all you need to do here is to write Java download and download Java. GDK24, good. Go to Windows and go to installer and install Java. Once you have Fabric, NeoForge, or other mod loader, then you need to open up your Minecraft, right? Then select Minecraft Java Edition, installations, and then select your mod loader. In my case, it's Fabric Loader 121.8, right? Make sure modded is selected because sometimes you cannot see it. Open up folder here, and then go to mods. If you don't have mods folder, just create one. And then simply what you need to do here is to drop the mod that you downloaded. And with Fabric, you need to drop API as well. With other mod loaders, you don't need to drop any APIs, just mod itself. And then simply you just need to select Fabric Loader and hit play like this. And yeah, that's pretty much it what you need to do here. So if I help you out, please press like.